one knows how to restore order better than Boss. That's why we've developed a breadth-of-line portfolio that's battle-tested, made to last, and built to back you up. When the heavy stuff comes down and black ice accumulates, you need to make sure every path is clear, especially sidewalks and walkways. But clearing and maintaining these paths presents the challenge of balancing employees, materials, time, and higher operating costs. Introducing Exact Path Drop Spreaders from Boss, with a focus on maximizing productivity and efficiency and reducing material waste. The Exact Path precisely drops de-icing material to protect grass and landscaping and improves contractor performance. Simply put, it puts salt right where you want it. Both the 2.5 and 6.0 Exact Path spreaders are compatible with most UTVs and feature an exclusive 8-position feed gate lever that makes adjusting material flow simple. No tools needed. Each Exact Path comes with a 12-volt high-torque motor that's weather and dust sealed to ensure reliability, and a stainless steel hopper and frame with a polyethylene cover to keep materials dry and free-flowing. And with multiple mounting options available, the Exact Path makes operating in tight, obstacle-heavy high-traffic areas easier and more profitable. From streets to sidewalks, snow removal to ice control, and everything in between. Boss understands the vast array of challenges presented by each and every winter storm. Exact Path, another top-of-the-line innovation from Boss that's built to back you up. Visit your Boss dealer to learn more.